Welcome students to my channel My Way Learning. Today we are going to learn about multiples. As the name suggests, multiples means multiply. In this chapter, if you want to find the multiple of any number, you have to multiply the number with another number. In this way, we can find the multiple of any number. If we are going to find multiple of 13, we can find it as many as we want. Just multiply the number with 1, 2, 3, 10, 100, 1000 and so on, and you will get its multiple like this. So what we learn, multiples are infinite, and when we talk about factors, they are finite in number. For example, if you want to find factors of 13, they are 1 and 13. And if you have to find the factor of 26, they are 1, 2, 13 and 36. What I find, they are just limited 1, 2, 3, 4 or 2 factors. But when I talk about multiples, it could be as much as you want to find. So multiples are infinite, whereas factors are finite in number. Now let us learn how to find common multiple between two numbers. We have two numbers like 8 and 10. Just write all the multiples of 8, like multiply 8 with 1, 2, 3, 4. It gives you 8, 16, 24, 30, 42, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80 and so on. The same way we multiply 10 with 1, 2, 3, which give you 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and so on. As I have to find two common multiple between 8 and 10, so they are 40 as it is common in between the two numbers, as well as 80. If we have to find some more multiples, so we will continue in this way and find the next multiple between 8 and 20. Now let us find common multiple of 5 and 7. Just write all the multiples of 5 like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 and so on, and multiple of 7 like 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42 and 49, so on. So what is the common multiple of these two? That is 35. And if we continue in same way, we will find another common multiple, that is 70. So what I observe, if two numbers have nothing common in between them, like 5 is prime number, 7 is also prime number, so their common multiple is just the product of the two numbers. 5 multiplied 7 give you 35. This will happen if and only if the both number has nothing common in between them. For example, when you take 2 and 3, so first common multiple of that is 6 and another is 12. Now let us take another example to get it more understanding. 4 and 12. Now let us take another example of 4 and 12. I have to find common multiple of 4 and 12. Write down all the multiples of 4, that are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24 and so on. Multiple of 12 are like 12, 24, 36, 48 and so on. So what is the common multiples of these two? That is 12, 24, and if I continue it, I will also get 36, then 48. So all the multiples of 12 are common between the two. In this, what I observe, what are the factors of 4? They are 2 multiplied 2. And what are the factors of 12? They are also 4 multiplied 3, or you can say 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 3. So every third number, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So every third number is the multiple of 4 and 12. Is the common multiple of 4 and 12. So if any two numbers have common factors, then their multiples will be in this way. Let us learn how to find lowest common multiple or LCM by using prime factorization method. I have to find LCM of 28 and 30. Write down all the factors. Please mind, don't write multiples. Here we write factors. So what are the factors? Prime factors of 28. They are 2 multiply 2 multiply 7. 2 to the 4, 4 7 are 28. And what are the factors of 30? They are 2 multiply 3 multiply 5. That is 2 3 is 6, 6 5 is 30. What we observe in these two? We have 1 2 which is common among these two. So I count it at one time. When I am going to find the LCM of 28 and 30, we write whatever is the common just one time. We don't write 2 multiply 2. I just take 1 2 instead of 2 2. Then 2 multiply 7, 2 multiply 7 and then 3 multiply 5. After doing the calculation, I find the LCM of 28 and 30 is 420. Generally, students get confused. They count it 2 multiply 2 multiply 7 and then again 2 multiply 3 multiply 5. Please note it, when the number is repeat in both terms, then we count it as 1. Now we are going to find LCM of 8 and 12 by using prime factorization method. As I said, what are the factors of 8? They are 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. Please write prime factors. And the same way, prime factor of 12 are 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. What is the common between the two? That is 2 and one more 2. So I consider 1, 2 and another 2. We don't write 4 times 2. I just write 2 times 2 instead of 4, as 2 is common between the 8 and 12. And whatever the left which is not common to both, we write it as 2 multiply 3. So what is the LCM of 8 and 12? It will become 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3, that is 24. Now I am going to check the same LCM by using common multiple method. Write down all the multiples of 8, 8, 16, 24 and so on. Now we are going to find common multiple of 8 and 12. First write all the multiples of 8 like 8, 16, 24 and so on. Multiples of 12 are 12, 24, 36 and so on. What is the common multiple between the 8 and 12? That is 24. So the common multiple of 8 and 12 is 24. What is the LCM of 8 and 12? That is also 24. In this way, you can tally whether you are correct or not. Now let us learn how to find LCM between the two numbers by using Venn diagram. I have to find LCM of 4 and 6 by using Venn diagram. Just write prime factors of 4, that is 2 multiply 2. And what are the prime factor of 6? They are 2 multiply 3. Just draw the Venn diagram like this. What is the common between these two? That is 2. Write that 2 over there. And whatever the left, write like this. So what is the LCM of 4 and 6? That is 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. That is 12. Now let us find LCM by using short division method. This is one of my favorite method and it is very quick method to find the LCM. But most of the children get confused how to calculate. Let us write both numbers, whatever the numbers are given to you, just write in that way, 12 and 15, and then check out the least number which divide these numbers. For example, when I talk about 12, it come in the table of 2 at 6 times. 2, 6, 12. 2 6 are 12. But what about 15? It doesn't come in the table of 2. So just note down it 15 as it is. Again I check 6 comes in the table of 2. So I again multiply or divide it. 2 3s are 6. Same way 15 is not coming in the table of 2. So we note it down again. Now here it is 3. It is 15. They both come in the table of 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 5s are 15. So if a number divides both the numbers, we keep dividing both the numbers simultaneously. As it comes 1, so this one will be done. But now 5 1s are 5. We keep doing LCM till we get 1 at the end. So what is the LCM of 12 and 15? They are 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 5. That is equal to 60. Now let us find LCM by using short division method. This is one of my favorite method and it is very quick method to find the LCM. But most of the children get confused how to calculate. Let us write both numbers, whatever the numbers are given to you, just write in that way, 12 and 15, and then check out the least number which divide these numbers. For example, when I talk about 12, it come in the table of 2 at 6 times. 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12. But what about 15? It doesn't come in the table of 2. So just note down it 15 as it is. Again I check 6 comes in the table of 2. So I again multiply or divide it. 2 3s are 6. Same way 15 is not coming in the table of 2. So we note it down again. Now here it is 3. It is 15. They both come in the table of 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 5s are 15. So if a number divides both the numbers, we keep dividing both the numbers simultaneously. As it comes 1, so this one will be done. But now 5 1s are 5. We keep doing LCM till we get 1 at the end. So what is the LCM of 12 and 15? They are 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 5. That is equal to 60. Now let us find LCM of 3 numbers by using short division method. I take numbers 6, 9 and 14, write them like this. Now as I said, we have to use prime numbers. So as 6 come in the table of 2, I take 2 first. 2 3s are 6. So I write 3 over there. 2 7s are 14. So I write 7 over there. And in the table of 2, 9 is not coming. So we just note down 9 as it is. Next number is over 3. So I take it 3 1s are 3. 3 3s are 9. Again 7 is not coming in the table of 3. So we note down it as it is. Again 3 1s are 3, as it is already 1, so we don't need to consider it now. 3 1s are 3, 7 as it is. 7 1s are 7. So what are the prime factor of 6, 9 and 14? They are 2, 3, 3, 7. So the LCM of 6, 9 and 14 equals to 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 7. That is equal to 126. I hope now I make myself clear, and now you are able to find LCM by using all the methods which are explained by me. For more updates, keep watching my channel and do subscribe, comment and like my videos.